guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is Kering Tempe. Tempe is fermented soybean from Indonesia. I would like to show you this yellow dahlia anyways. And this is not really stir fry, but you kind of stir fry it when you make this dish. It's good for coconut rice, yellow coconut rice, or regular white rice. Check out the full video analysis and again, bye. So I have about 4 blocks of homemade tempeh that I'm gonna slice into finger sticks. So you want to slice it like that thin. Soak 1 tablespoon of tamarind in a 1/4 cup of water, and we want the juice. I'll be using fryer for this one, but you can use stove top to fry your tempeh. What I have here about 9 red bird eye chilies that we're just gonna take out the seeds and remove the stems, like so. Over here is the seeded chilies and 1 tablespoon of hard shrimp paste, terasi, 3 pieces of salam leaves and 3 pieces of kaffir lime leaves. And if you want a box of firm tofu as well, this is optional. So you want to fry them until golden brown. So what I have here is 1 large onion with 7 garlic, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. We're just gonna make this into fine paste. Pour the paste into a pan with our other ingredients like shrimp paste, chili, kaffir lime, and salam leaves, and set to side. And now we're gonna squeeze our tamarind until we get the juice. Strain from the seeds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of galangal powder. Cook until fragrant. And then we're gonna season it. You can use salt and sugar. I'm using chicken bouillon powder, brown sugar to taste, add in 1/4 cup of fried onion or fried shallots, a little bit of sweet soy sauce like 1 teaspoon. Now add in your fried tempeh and fried tofu. We're just gonna mix it until we're gonna coat them until completely coated. Sometimes we add fried anchovy in Indonesia, as well fried salted peanuts. I do not have anchovy for today, but I have unsalted roasted peanuts that I'm gonna add about 1 handful. This is good to serve with coconut rice, yellow coconut rice, nasi uduk, nasi kuning, or warm rice, regular warm rice. Ready to be served. Steamy.